Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wire-edged ribbon flower, and I'm also going to show you how to make these red berries and some glass berries and some sparkly berries. So let's get started. You might also be interested in some of my other 70 fabric flower videos. I'll put a link below so you can browse through them. Some of them are made from scraps of fabric, or you could use some thrift store curtains, or old denim jeans, or felt. These are felt and a bit of lace and denim also. And also some organza and felt flowers here. More felt and ribbon flowers. You could even use old t-shirts. And some fleece and jute from the dollar store. You find that in the gardening section. And I have 70 videos on how to make super easy fabric flowers. Cut the bud ends from cotton swabs. And now I've cut some wire, and the bud is going to fit in like that. Place some hot glue and slide it in like that. To make berries, you can either use nail polish or acrylic paint. I'm going to use nail polish today, and I'm just going to paint them. And I'm just going to set them aside to dry, like that. If you don't need them wired in, you can just paint them like this, and then just cut them off and use them like that. For the glittery ones, brush with either white glue or clear nail polish. I'm going to use nail polish, so I'm going to brush with the clear nail polish, and I'm going to dip it into my glitter and tap off the extra like that, and set them aside to dry. To make clear ones, get some clear beads, and I have a few white ones in there too, and some wire. Thread all the beads on the wire like that. Now bring one bead up and twist. And you might need to use some pliers. So that's the first one. Bend the wire up, bring up another bead, and twist. Like that. Bring up the wire, bring up another bead, fold it down, and twist. And tighten. Like that. You just continue to do that. So fold this up, bring up a bead, and twist. And you'll just continue to do that. I'll just cut that off. So now I have a cluster of glass beads. I have a cluster of red berries. Take one of the wires and just twist it around. Add some hot glue. And I have the silver ones. Add some hot glue. And let it cool. So I have glass stamens, red berries, and silver stamens. To make a flower, I have some wire-edged ribbon. Cut 6 lengths of wire-edged ribbon. And I have 2 different lengths. And these are approximately 4 inches. And the shorter ones are approximately 2 inches. Now you're going to take each one Just bring these two wires together on the end and twist. Like that. And do that on both ends. Cut a small circle of felt. And I'm going to glue all my petals on. And after you have those all glued on, you can just take the tips and fold them under like that. Just fold them under. Like that. To make these smaller sections, you're going to do the same thing as making the larger ones. And again, fold that tip in. And we'll be gluing those like that in the center. And now I'm going to glue these inside between each of these. Poke a hole in the center. Place my red berries in like that. Add some more glue. And I'm going to cut some of these and put them also in the center. So, glue. Now come over to the back, cut off the wire, add some more glue, and glue another felt circle on the back. Like that. And there's your finished flower. So you could add these to a cluster of berries or greenery and use it on a wreath or on a door or even on a gift.